In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. Made easy. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool, allowing you to organize your ideas, notes, and projects all in one place. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list, working on a team project, or just organizing your thoughts, knowing how to effectively structure your workspace can make a significant difference. Today, we're going to tackle adding columns and creating sections, a simple yet effective way to bring your Notion pages to the next level. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your connected workspace within Notion. This is the place where all your wiki, docs, and project pages reside. Think of it as your home base, a central hub where all your projects and documents live. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to get access to your Notion environment. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Notion homepage. Here, you can see all your most recent pages and projects. This overview helps you quickly access the pages you work on most frequently, saving you time and effort. Now, look for the page where you want to add columns and sections. Click on that page to open it. It might be one of your current projects, a document you're working on, or just a blank page where you're starting fresh. Now, to insert columns, you'll start by typing the command /columns directly into the page. This command activates the column feature in Notion, allowing you to split your page into different sections side by side. Visualizing your content in columns can be particularly useful for comparing information, displaying parallel timelines, or simply for aesthetic organization in your note-taking. Next, to create sections or headings that help divide your content clearly, type the command headings. Headings are fantastic for breaking up text and creating a clear organizational structure within your documents. They help to keep your information tidy, allowing you and anyone else accessing the page to quickly get a sense of the document's flow and the hierarchy of information. By integrating columns and headings, you give your Notion pages a clear, navigable structure that enhances readability and efficiency. And just like that, you've taken a significant step in leveling up your Notion skills. Practice adding columns and sections to your different pages and watch how it can change the way you interact with your information. This straightforward approach allows for a versatile, adaptable workspace that grows with your needs. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering the art of Notion organization. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from a more organized digital life. Thanks for watching.